Up in a young crux. Noon, afternoon, afternoon. I don't know who they here. Surfer Dan, Deladan is here. You know what I
New
say?
crook.
Yeah man. New crux, young crux, them out. New crux, you see it? Yeah man. I don't know. Richard and Sharp Boss there.
Yeah, man, I'm meet a new charging name Sharky. Is it? See me, I'm charging that Sharky. Is it? Me not talk Sharky as in seafood restaurant, you know, is it? Sharky as in mad dog, is it? Yeah, man, I'm charging that.
Yeah man. Don't know Father Prince is in here. You see me I say?
Again, the winner
Yeah
pick
man.
two
You don't
numbers
know the
are
shop, bro.
32 and 8.
Officially.
Up next, you can
Yeah
play
man.
3 ways.
Up top. We don't want to copyright music, so yo, we are stay far from them. You see me I say? Yeah man. So update on life. Make you know what go on. As you notice, so yo, the video them did go on good the past July and couple months before, isn't it? From the summer start, the video them are rolling good and everything, and things are flow alright, isn't it? But right now, not tell a lie, right now, kind of reach a point where I have to go and slow down things, isn't it? Because I have whole heap. So just watch my face a while gonna be water. Yeah man, anyway, yeah man. I reach a point right now where I have a whole heap of things to deal with life and things. So right now the video them are slow down. We now get a video right now every week, but now I get video, you see me? When I get maybe 3 video a month or 2 video a month, but now I will get video every week for the month, you see me? So wanna bear with me until I get some things sorted. As I say, the laptop I use to edit all of the video them, that I give me some serious problem right now. You reach a point where every time I turn on the laptop, man them talk, so you see me? Yeah. Reach a point right now. Every time I turn on a laptop, it a reload and I say yo rebooting, updating software and them something there. You see me? Every time I turn on a laptop, and that it tell me say updating software and all of that. So wanna bear with me. As soon as I get some memory put in the laptop and make it move faster, when I get some more video, you see me? And if I not deal with the laptop, for edit the go up at the music studio, when I do my music editing, I go up there so I use the computer there and edit the video them, you see me? If you notice, if you watch the last 4 video them, I think without my face in the left corner of the video them. If you watch them video there, you notice that my face not in the video them at the studio computer me use edit them video there. If you know those face in the video them at the studio computer me use edit them video there. You see? So just bear with me and stay up to date because I make you know what I go on. So as soon as I fly up, you see me? So as soon as I deal with the laptop and get some memory night, I must start upload back some video fluently, you see me? And make you know what I go on thing. But right now, the whole over there at town will follow surfer, come get some crocs, you see, for the young crocs them. You see me I say? Yeah man, so you don't know the thing said. Yeah man, we in here. You see it. Yeah man, so yeah, you don't know the chance them there. As always. You see me? Make you see the chance. Come on flip. Oh, can't flip it. Yeah man. Mate, see me all drop. See me all drop my watch and a match it up. Yeah man, this is a surfer dance cycle. See there? His brake. Brand new tire. You see me I say? Yeah man, see him put on a brand new stand. I think yesterday evening him put on a stand there. Yeah man, this will break about. I don't know my chance as always. Yeah man, another thing too. You know, I have some problem with my back wheel. The whole of back wheel shell out for me. They really shell out still, but the back wheel did not give way for me day before yesterday, which was Friday. The back wheel hub did a shake. You see me, all of the bars in my back wheel mash up and I realize say on a regular bars using the back wheel a gear block bars using the back wheel toward the big axle. A gear block bars used in the back axle. You see it in the back hub I should say. So I sort that out and everything right now, so it ride alright and one thing. And I'm gonna need 2 brand new rim because them rim are done. The rim them are rubbed down bad. You see it? Make you see what I go on. The rim them are rubbed down bad. You can't see right as well. See it? As you can see right now, so the rim are rubbed down bad. You see it, see? You can see the line, the line right there, so you see rub to the line a rub way. See? The line actually a rub way. So you don't know, so the rim a go bad. So I soon have to change the rim them for my cycle. You see it? I change the rim them for my cycle. Yeah man, Richie bicycle now. They don't know him soon need a paint job. They don't know so the color pale and thing, but they don't know when at night time look pretty same way and thing. Yo Prince, start the music there. You see me? Yeah man, Prince I play some copyright music, we have to tell him say yo, like all that. You see me I say? They don't know, respect the thing same way, you see? Yeah man. So Richie now. I always sang that, I don't think it pick it up. Anyway. If you not hear the old music we are playing in the background, message and let me know. You see me? Anyway, Richie now, he might need colour. You see me? Because I don't know if film colour pale already and things. Film bicycle are right good as always. I just colour it one. You see me? The colour them are pale. So you just want back a bright colour. You see it? You man see that? Who not run down for all of the cycle them what them need and want. You see it? Richie cycle just want colour and hand grip. You see, the man arrived with hand grip now, but he need hand grip. You see, him say, yo, film hand grip I am hand. They don't know the shapes. You see, yeah man. So yes, as soon as the computer, yeah, I'm showing the father print cycle. When I want to say father print cycle, yeah man. So this is a father print cycle, you see it? Them man go strictly chrome, them man don't really use color. You see me? They just want Theme bicycle just want buff. Theme cycle just want buff. Theme cycle just. Time to mice, me talk to people them. So tone it, so tone it down.
Tone on what? Not even like bleach, brother. What kind of tone down?
Anyway, yeah man, Father Prince don't really use color, him just run it chrome same as it. Only thing Theme Cycle want is just buff. Get it shiny. You see it? Yeah man. So him not put on a color, him just maybe buff him bicycle to get it more shiny and thing. And him also want a back tire. That's all. You see me? But I don't know, we had the road same way. And I make it happen. Hold on. Yeah man, you don't know we had the road same way. You see me? And I do the maths in our street and I make it happen the same way. You see? So as soon as we can upload more video, we just upload some more video and make gonna get them on. You see me I say? Yeah man, you see it. So yo Delo, may I make them say something to the two young trucks, you see me? If they want to say, yo, you have nothing to say to them? Anything at all? Explain none to them.
No, just be careful on the road and enjoy yourself. If not stone, just be careful. Yeah, that's all.
Man. Basically, what I try to say is all on the sun out there, you go and bust the clutch, you see me? Yeah man, and bust it if you not wheel over so it go. Just call it a day, you see me I say? Yeah man, but be careful and just go and do the match. You see me I say? Yeah man. Is it? So Richie, what you to the crux them?
So now look for me for.
We have to say to them.
So them all look for me for. What now look for me for? Brother, I move to the Sunday, I praise God to them, I talk to God today.
And looking at the phone?
Yeah, because of the Bible verse I read there, so.
Father pray, alright, so get back to him. Him doing 9 phone and pray what going. Father pray, so we have to say to them.
Everything I drop off the table for me to come out. That's how everything said. But here what? That's what we're doing now, so now go and put the clutch same way now. Now we're eventually get to the thing. So I say don't overdo it. Go and bust the clutch same way. Eventually everything I got happen. So don't worry. Just have a nice day. I remember put Father God first here. Alright. Morning. Big ship sailing.
I got come first, you see me I say? Yeah man, always have him in the street. You see?
Hallelujah, shall he praise the Lord? People, shall he praise the Lord?
Yeah man, when I was stretching too long, just so I couldn't know how I go on and go and update on life and thing. And as soon as I get the computer up again, I start upload some video. Regularly. Is that the word? Yeah, sometimes I say some word is sound away, so I have to one day if I really say pronounce. You see it? Yeah, man, if you're not Jamaican, only we understand.
What kind of man them ya?
You see me? You see me? So, yeah, man, as soon as they come to up again, I start upload some more video and things. But in the meanwhile, I do what I can do and get some video out. You see me? Just a go in the live, yeah, make you know what go on and things. So, yo,
Guidance.
peace out, guidance, and see you in the next video. You see me I say? You see me Zine? Out.